Hey there, folks! This is the GTGRO, a multifunctional winch designed to operate for the movement of various types of loads, such as large bags and the like, meeting the needs of planters and distributors. Its specifications guarantee its versatility. Now for some important technical information. Frame, winch arm, swiveling hydraulic cylinder, lifting hydraulic cylinder, big bag coupling, rear hitch, arm support foot, coupling pin, wheel support, rear support foot, third point adjustment bar, swivel support, to facilitate loading and transport. The winch leaves the factory with the tower mounted only. It will be necessary to assemble the other components to make it ready for use. Attach the arm to the tower. Place the hydraulic cylinder in the tower. Then, attach the hydraulic cylinder to the arm. Attach the tire to the wheel hub. Mount the wheel hub on the bracket. Fix the support bracket to the tower. Attach the rear winch support leg. Assemble the safety valve and the hydraulic hoses, according to the diagram contained in the instruction manual. Engage the rear winch on the tractor. Check that the tractor is properly ballasted. Adjust the eye of the tractor's lower arms. Slowly approach the tractor to the winch in reverse. Use the hydraulic piston control lever, leaving the lower left arm level with the winch hitch. Place the pin in the winch hitch and lock. Engage third point extender on header with pin and lock. Engage the lower right arm using the leveling crank. Use the extension thread to facilitate this step. If necessary, calibrate the tires according to the instructions. Lubricate the points indicated in the instruction manual. It's ready! See how the winch arrives and how it should look after assembly. Now, let's see some adjustment possibilities that the winch has. You can adjust the opening of the wheels for greater stability during work operations. For that, release the wheel support. Adjust to the desired aperture. Finish locking the support again. Also, adjust the height of the arm, releasing the hydraulic cylinder rod to the other setting, then retightening and replacing the pin. Here are some important tips to prolong the life of the GTGRO. Your winch is unique, so it's important to keep your identification visible for any inquiries, okay? The identification plate has model, serial number, manufacturing date, in addition to a QR code, which is scanned with your cell phone. It takes you straight to the instruction manual, parts catalog, and this video. Oh, and so that no one is left without information, the GTGRO comes with a printed version of the manual that is included with its invoice. Until next time, folks!